Welcome! Before you can set up your child's Xplora device, you'll first need to activate your mobile subscription. Your subscription gives your child's device its own phone number and enables calls and messaging, GPS location, and connection to the Xplora app with parental controls. Before we continue, let's make sure you're following the right guide. Depending on the model, Xplora watches use either a physical nano SIM card or a digital eSIM. To identify your SIM type, check the left side of your watch for a SIM card slot. If there's no visible slot, your watch is most likely an eSIM model. If you have an X6 Play, you'll need to remove the loop frame first to check. All Xplora phones support both nano SIM and eSIM. In this guide, we'll show you how to activate your Xplora subscription using an eSIM. Let's get started. The activation process is slightly different depending on how you got your Xplora device. Let's look at each option. If you ordered your device directly from the Xplora webshop with a subscription, you're almost ready. Your device already has a built-in eSIM, so there's no physical SIM card to insert. You simply need to activate your mobile subscription. Open your order confirmation email and follow your personal activation link to begin. Follow the on-screen instructions and enter your own details as the subscription owner. You'll add your child's details later during device setup. If you bought your device from a store, you're just a few steps away. Visit start.xplora.com to choose your subscription and follow the activation steps. During activation, enter your own details as the subscription owner. You'll add your child's details later during device setup. If you're setting up a pre-owned Xplora device, you'll need an active eSIM subscription. If you don't already have one, or need help activating your eSIM subscription, simply contact our customer support team. We'll guide you through the next steps and help get your device ready for setup. If you're using a mobile subscription from another provider, simply activate the eSIM provided by your mobile provider. Please note that an additional service fee may apply in some markets when using a third-party provider, so be sure to check your local Xplora website for details. No matter how you activated your Xplora subscription, you'll receive a subscription confirmation email once the activation is complete. This usually takes a few minutes, although in some cases it can take up to 60 minutes. If you haven't received the email after 60 minutes, please check your spam or junk folder. Your subscription confirmation email contains both your child's phone number and your eSIM QR code. Keep this email handy, as you'll need both your child's phone number and your eSIM QR code when setting up your Xplora device. Great! Your subscription is now activated, and you're ready to set up your Xplora device. Make sure you have your child's phone number and eSIM QR code ready. You'll need both in the next guide. Continue to the next guide to get started.